All right, so we're going to look at the kettlebells again. We talked about it, doing the kettlebell swing with the squat and front raise. But another thing that I see happen wrong a lot in a gym is when they do want to work shoulders or their deltoids using the weights. And because of the way the weights are, they're heavy on one end and not on the other. They're not evenly distributed like a dumbbell is. You get a lot of people trying to swing their arms up like this to lift the weight. And then as they lift, you can see the weight shifts. So you have to be careful. If you do find that these are the only weights and you have to use them, you just need to go back to the basics that we've talked about, really controlling the weights up and down. So you've got that stance that we've talked about, shoulder width apart, knees bent, and you really need to still control the weights as you bring them back down. It's not using that lower back or swinging it up and back and forth. That's just momentum and gravity doing the work for you, not your actual muscles doing the lifting. So let me give these to you and you can give it a try.